You've been looking at porn, young man or young woman, for like 10 years, 15 years, and then you get married and the young man has ED. That's a great start to a marriage. You've trained your brain to only be aroused by the images that you've been looking at every day, every other day for 15 years. This is a biblical concept, Karen. And if we're going to get men in particular to lead with courage in this moment, Karen, then men are going to have to live courageous and virtuous lifestyles. And I don't think that we're going to end abortion, actually, as long as the Christian men of America have an Asherah pole set up in their bedroom. Get men in particular, and for your listeners who are not Christians or they're new believers and they haven't read the Bible, Ashtoreth, and they would set up these Asherah poles that were worshipped in the Old Testament. Ashtoreth was the goddess of sex. And they would worship her through orgies and unbridled sexual liberation. So in Judges 6, when the angel of the Lord tells Gideon to tear down the Asherah poles, he also tells him to tear down the Baal statues, baby sacrifice, because sexual liberation and child sacrifice, those two sins have been linked since time immemorial. And until men stop beholding wickedness, they won't have the courage to stand against wickedness. This is a biblical concept, Karen. You become what you behold, right? So covenant eyes, you guys know the science behind pornography, that cells that fire together wire together. Yeah. And so that's one of the reasons why it's never hardcore enough. Young man, young woman, if you're listening to my voice and you're still indulging in pornography, it'll never be hardcore enough. Because you're taking on the image of the thing that you worship. So the things, what you behold, let's just get PG-13 because I don't know how else to do it. The thing that you behold at the moment of arousal is what you will associate with arousal. So whatever that thing is, this is why, by the way, like, what's the average age of pornography for young boys? Is it 8? Karen?
8 to 11,
it's 8. Yeah. And so you've been looking at porn, young man or young woman, for like 10 years, 15 years, and then you get married and the young man has ED.
Right.
That's a great start to a marriage because you've trained your brain to only be aroused by the images that you've been looking at every day, every other day for 15 years. This is a biblical concept, Karen. You take on the image of the thing that you worship. The Old Testament says, those who worship idols are like them, and so are all who put their trust in them. Those who worship idols are like them. You're like the idol. You're like the thing you've been worshiping. And then the New Testament says, we all beholding the glory of the Lord, being transformed from one image to another. What is that saying? We all beholding the Lord and being transformed from one image to another. You begin to be transformed into the image of the thing that you behold.
That's why idols are so dangerous.
So the two most ancient of those idols is sex cult worship, and baby killing,
and sacrifice.
And that's why us at the White Rose Resistance love Covenant Eyes, and we're going to be releasing something soon called Gruberware, with a bunch of shirts with my sayings on them, and one of them says, "My mother-in-law gets my Covenant Eyes. ... Thanks to Seth Gruber."
That's amazing.
Whatever
if more people
it takes.
would wear that, yes.
Whatever it takes.
Exactly.